Welcome back everyone to another tutorial on Tableau. This series of videos will help you take your skills from beginner to expert level in Tableau. Do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you are the first one to know whenever I upload any new video. In today's session, we will see how to add space between the bars in Tableau. Let me first show you the demo of what we will be doing today. Here I have a bar chart that shows sales of different categories: furniture, office supplies, technology, done in different regions: west, east, central and south region. You will notice that in the first chart all the bars are placed next to each other. It takes few seconds to find out where the furniture category is ending and the next category, office supply, begins. A solution is that we can add some space here after last region of each category to create a clean looking chart so that users can easily distinguish between different categories. Now let's jump to Tableau and see how to add this extra space between the bars. First, we will create a bar chart to show sales in different regions in case of each of the category. So drag category to the column shelf, then drag region to the column shelf next to the category, then drag sales to the row shelf. So here we have a bar chart that shows sales of different regions in case of each of the category. Remove these grid lines, right click, click on format, then go to borders. From here select none for the row divider, select none for the column divider, then go to lines, then here select none for the zero lines, select none for the grid lines. Let's hide this field label, right click, click on hide field label for columns. Now we need to add some space here after the last region of each category to make a clean view so that the user can easily differentiate between different categories. We will take the help of subtotals. Go to analysis, then go to totals. From here add all subtotals. Now you will observe that these subtotal bars are added for each of the category. Now we will hide this subtotal bars. So click on the bar and from this automatic drop down select hide. These subtotal bars are now removed from the view. Let's remove this total label. Right click, click on format. Then from here remove this total label. Now you will observe that we have some space here after the last region of each of the category, and the user can easily distinguish between different categories. Also the view looks neat and clean. Just to add, if by any chance you need these subtotals back, as there might be requirement to show these subtotals also, then go to sales drop down, then go to total using. Here you will observe that hide is selected because we wanted to hide the bars. Now to make them visible again, just click on automatic. The subtotal bars are now visible again in the view. To add this subtotal label, right click, click on format, then go to this totals label. Here you can write anything according to your requirement. Let's write down subtotal. So we have these subtotal bars back in the view. So in this case, to distinguish between different categories, you can add category column to the color to give different colors to the three categories that we have in the view. For now, let's remove the subtotals bar. Just repeat the steps. Click on this bar, then under automatic select hide. Right click, click on format and remove this label. So in this way we can add some space between the bars to help user to easily distinguish between different categories. This was all that I had to cover in this session. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this session. See you in the next tutorial.